So I made some custom dinner party plates for a dinner party that my husband and I threw for our neighbors, and it was sponsored by our business, The Crab Place. And so I just knew I wanted the plates to be extra special. I didn't want the branding to be overwhelming, so I found it to be a little subtle when I opted to use the slate plates and then engrave them with our company's logo. So I bought a few plates in various sizes because we had a chef show up and she was going to be making a 6-course meal, and I wanted all of the plates to be different and to fit the products and have the logo still be seen, because I knew I was going to be recording and doing a whole bunch of stuff like that. So to get started with the process, I washed my hands and I got my slate. I placed it inside of my Glowforge Pro with a white paper behind it so I could see exactly where the edge of the slate was. And I took various versions of my logo and I set them with these exact settings. I used the thick black acrylic material setting, and then I went in with these custom settings of 750 speed, 100 power, 270 lines per inch, and just one pass. Only one pass is necessary when you're doing slate. Doing more than one pass is not necessary. It does not make a difference. It does not show up any darker on the slate. Engraving my own plates was actually a genius move, and it saved us some money because looking to have these done elsewhere would have cost us a lot. And why would you do something elsewhere when you have the machine at home like I do? So I was so glad I thought about this, and I actually want to incorporate this idea into other projects. So I will be having these become available on my website for small orders. This is what it looked like plated up, and it was definitely worth the extra time to pull this all together.